How to spot signs of foundation issues. Foundation damage is never good, but it can be mitigated if the problem is detected early. Below are signs of foundation problems, and with a quick check around your home, you'll be able to see if you have issues with your home's foundation. Foundation settlement. Look for signs of your structure sinking or settling. When the soil underneath the foundation can't support the weight of your home sinks or settles. Cracked walls and bricks. Visible cracks are more than a cosmetic problem. Look for wall cracks around your home, especially on drywalls and corners leading toward windows or doors. Leaning or cracked chimney. A large amount of weight is concentrated in a small area where the chimney stands. If your foundation is unstable, your chimney will start to crack or lean. Wall and floor gaps. Gaps between your walls and floors could mean the structural framework under your home has been damaged or compromised. Have you noticed any of these warning signs with your own home? If so, give us a call for a thorough inspection.